Games has again posted another restricted video. Let's react to this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
The subject is 59-year-old Thomas Clark, a full-time employee at Playtime Co. since 1955.
Damn,
6
that's
months ago, he was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer. Now, Mr. Clark, of sound mind, has volunteered for this experiment.
Oh.
We have about 7 years ago.
Yo!
1199 displayed much more disorientation than we expected. Subsequent mental testing measures were also practically half. It's just conjecture on my part, but I don't believe he knows where he is or what's happened to him.
Damn.
To make matters worse, the other experiments could tell 1199 was different.
Oh, different, you say? Oh, that what he sees? Jump scare. Poor Bron.
They would have killed him had the research team not intervened, and even then there was still significant damage to the internal structures with some of the anatomy, namely the larynx and the thyroid, having been completely devoured. It took 12 hours of surgery to stabilize 1199.
Bro.
We keep him separated from the others now.
Why? What's so different about Bron and this person? Interesting. Well, this will be the end of this video. Sorry for being so short. That's how short the video is, so see you later.